Every time a cell divides, its telomeres get shorter. This shortening occurs because DNA polymerase, the enzyme that replicates DNA, cannot copy the very end of a chromosome, leading to progressively shorter telomeres. This gradual loss is often likened to photocopying a page where the edges are consistently missed, resulting in a slow but inevitable degradation of the original information. As telomeres shorten, cells age and eventually enter a state called senescence, where they no longer divide. Senescent cells accumulate in the body, contributing to various aging-associated diseases. Think of it like a countdown timer. Each tick represents a cell division, and as the timer counts down, it signals the cell's progression towards senescence. Studies have linked shorter telomeres with increased incidence of age-related diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Lifestyle factors such as diet, exercise, and stress can affect telomere length. Viewing telomeres as an odometer of the cell, certain behaviors can accelerate the mileage counter, leading to faster wear and tear on the body. The ability to extend lifespan through telomere manipulation raises profound ethical and social questions. Who has access to these technologies? And what are the implications for population growth and resource allocation? Imagine a scenario where only a select few can afford to stop their biological clocks, leading to societal and ethical dilemmas akin to those in dystopian novels. Research on creatures like lobsters and certain types of turtles which show negligible senescence offers potential insights into human longevity. Studying these organisms is akin to learning from communities where people live significantly longer than average lives, hoping to apply their secrets broadly. Genetics play a significant role in determining telomere length, but environmental factors like stress and diet also have substantial impacts. This interplay can be likened to a musical duet between genetics and lifestyle, where harmony between the two influences the overall performance or health. Telomeres ensure stem cells can continue dividing and replenishing tissues throughout a person's life. Research is ongoing to harness this ability to treat age-related diseases and injuries. Stem cells with robust telomeres are like queen bees in a hive. They are central to the colony's longevity and productivity. Pause 2s. As we stand on the precipice of a new era in cellular biology, recent breakthroughs in telomere research have propelled us further into understanding the complex relationship between telomeres and aging. In the past year alone, several groundbreaking studies have reshaped our approach to combating age-related diseases. One such study, conducted at the University of California, revealed that a combination of specific lifestyle changes and targeted interventions could significantly lengthen telomeres in human cells. This discovery not only underscores the importance of lifestyle factors, but also opens new avenues for non-invasive treatments. Another fascinating development comes from a team of researchers in Switzerland who have successfully used CRISPR technology to edit genes associated with telomere maintenance. This pioneering work holds promise for future genetic therapies that could potentially reverse cellular aging. Meanwhile, ongoing studies at the National Institutes of Health are exploring the role of telomeres in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Early findings suggest that telomere shortening may be a contributing factor, paving the way for new diagnostic tools and therapeutic strategies. As scientists continue to delve deeper into the molecular mechanisms of telomeres, each discovery brings us closer to transforming the way we understand and treat aging. With every breakthrough, we inch nearer to a future where age-related decline could be a thing of the past. Stay tuned as we follow these exciting developments and share more about the cutting-edge research shaping the future of telomere science. In our journey through the world of telomeres, we've seen how these tiny structures can influence aging and disease. But what if we told you that you have the power to impact your telomere length and, consequently, your longevity? Recent studies have shown that lifestyle changes can significantly affect telomere length. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide the necessary antioxidants and nutrients to protect your telomeres from oxidative stress. Exercise, too, plays a crucial role. Regular physical activity has been linked to longer telomeres, suggesting that staying active can help maintain cellular health. Stress management is another critical factor. Chronic stress has been shown to accelerate telomere shortening, making stress reduction techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing exercises essential tools for preserving telomere length. Sleep, often overlooked, is also vital. Quality sleep allows your body to repair itself, including maintaining telomere integrity. Ensuring you get enough rest can therefore have a profound effect on your cellular health. These lifestyle choices not only contribute to longer telomeres, but also promote overall well-being. The impact of these changes is cumulative, meaning the earlier you start, the more significant the benefits. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can be a powerful way to enhance both the quality and length of your life. As we continue to explore the science of telomeres, it's clear that the choices we make every day can have a lasting impact on our health and longevity. Join us in the next segment as we delve into the latest cutting-edge research and breakthroughs in telomere science. As we reach the culmination of our exploration into the world of telomeres, it's time to step back and take a comprehensive look at what we've uncovered and its significance in modern science. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, play a crucial role in cellular aging and overall health. These structures, composed of repetitive nucleotide sequences, act as buffers that protect our genetic data during cell division. The journey of telomere biology began with the discovery of their existence and has since expanded to reveal their intricate mechanisms. Telomere shortening, a natural process that occurs with each cell division, is now understood to be a key factor in cellular aging. When telomeres become critically short, cells enter a state known as senescence, or undergo programmed cell death, contributing to the aging process. Central to this field is the enzyme telomerase, which has the unique ability to extend telomeres, thus counteracting their shortening. Telomerase activity is prominent in stem cells and cancer cells, highlighting its dual role in both regenerative medicine and oncology. This duality underscores the delicate balance between promoting healthy aging and preventing uncontrolled cell proliferation. The implications of telomere research are profound. By understanding the mechanisms of telomere maintenance, scientists are uncovering potential interventions and therapies that could delay aging, treat age-related diseases, and even extend human lifespan. However, this promise comes with ethical considerations, as discussed earlier, including issues of accessibility, consent, and societal impact. Telomere biology has also shed light on the interplay between genetics and the environment. Factors such as stress, diet, and lifestyle choices can influence telomere length, suggesting that our daily habits can have long-term effects on our cellular health. This connection between lifestyle and telomere dynamics opens new avenues for public health initiatives aimed at promoting longevity and well-being. In modern science, telomeres serve as a bridge between basic biological research and practical applications. They offer insights into fundamental processes of life while also presenting opportunities for medical advancements. As researchers continue to unravel the mysteries of telomeres, the potential for groundbreaking discoveries remains vast. In conclusion, telomere biology stands at the forefront of scientific inquiry, with the power to transform our understanding of aging, disease, and human health. As we look to the future, the continued exploration of telomeres will undoubtedly shape the landscape of modern science, offering both challenges and opportunities in equal measure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of telomeres. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember that the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong adventure. Narrator, so the future of telomere research holds immense promise, particularly in the realm of extending human lifespan. As scientists continue to unravel the complexities of telomeres, new possibilities emerge for combating age-related diseases and promoting longevity. Narrator. One of the most exciting prospects is the potential to develop therapies that can effectively lengthen telomeres. By harnessing the power of telomerase, the enzyme responsible for maintaining telomere length, researchers aim to rejuvenate aging cells and restore their youthful functions. Narrator. These advancements could lead to treatments that not only extend lifespan but also enhance the quality of life. Imagine a world where age-related decline is significantly delayed, allowing people to live healthier, more vibrant lives well into their later years. Narrator. Furthermore, the implications of telomere research extend beyond just aging. By understanding and manipulating telomeres, we may unlock new ways to treat a variety of diseases, from genetic disorders to cancer. Narrator. As we look to the future, the potential of telomere research to revolutionize medicine and human health is both profound and inspiring. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are as limitless as the science itself. Narrator. Stay with us as we continue to explore the cutting-edge developments in telomere biology and their transformative impact on our lives. Narrator. The future is bright, and it's shaped by the relentless pursuit of knowledge and the promise of a healthier, longer life for all. A narrator. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating world of telomeres, it's time to take action. The research we've explored holds incredible promise, but there's still much more to be done. Narrator. We urge you to support ongoing research efforts. Whether it's through funding, spreading awareness, or even pursuing a career in the sciences, every contribution counts. The advancements in telomere research could lead to groundbreaking therapies and a deeper understanding of human health and longevity. Narrator. Public awareness is equally crucial. By educating ourselves and others about the significance of telomeres, we can foster a society that values scientific inquiry and innovation. Share this knowledge with your friends, family, and community. Together, we can create a ripple effect that accelerates discoveries and brings us closer to a future where age-related diseases are a thing of the past. Narrator. Remember, the power to drive change lies in our hands. Let's champion the cause of telomere research and make a lasting impact on the future of healthcare. Narrator. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Stay informed, stay engaged, and let's work together to unlock the secrets of aging and extend the horizons of human life. Narrator. The journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. Join us in making a difference, because the future of telomere research is bright and it needs all of us.